We're already going for a walk. Right, this is just our views of Austria at the minute.
It's nice, isn't it?
Match day -1. It's very nice. The girls are preparing really well.
Oh, I just walked in that puddle.
So, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop of me a name I call myself, for a long, long way to run.
Look at the view. It's being back in Cumronda. Just stopped for a meeting. This is our new sports scientist, by the way. Beth and Lloyd, how have you found the first senior camp?
Yes, really good.
This is the man behind everything. So how do you feel that camp's gone so far?
Really good, really good. Really impressed with the training, all good.
Austria's
Girls are
pretty nice,
behaving.
isn't it?
What's that?
Austria's pretty good.
Beautiful surroundings. Reminds me of Pontypool.
We'll end on that. The walk went okay. Right now we've got a meeting. All things talk, all things preparation. See you in 5. Here's your time with this beautiful woman. Best room. View from our hotel, not bad. It's pretty cosy. Come here.
Oh God, what are you doing, hey?
Amanda, how do you feel that there's a camera? Oh, match day -1. What do you think? Confident?
Yeah, confidently you can get a result against Austria, get the campaign off to a win.
Naturally in front of the camera. Hit the quan!
My playlist of the moment is History.
Nice.
A bit of, you know, Ja Rule, LL Cool J, people like that. That's a good
Oh my
playlist.
God.
It's a good playlist.
Right, okay, let me have a look.
Always there when you call, always on time.
Yeah, Kelly Green likes it.
Helen Moore's playlist. There you go.